Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to do uppercase and lowercase in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. There are three ways to change the case of text in cells. Let's consider the first way. We have a data range in which many words are written in different case. Fortunately, Excel has two excellent functions with which we can change the case of the text to upper or lower case in all cells, respectively the upper and lower functions. For the conversion, we will need an additional column. For example, column E. We write the equal sign and then the name of the function. Select a cell and press Enter. We pull the formula to the right and down by the autofill marker, and all the text in the cells is converted to uppercase. Since the upper and lower case functions work the same way, we do the same with the lower function. We enter a function, select a cell, and then extend the formula. And if you need to copy the converted data to the working range, then we simply highlight the entire converted range. We can do this simply with the leftmost button, but if you have a large table, then hold down Ctrl+Shift keys and use the right arrow to select the first row. And then still holding down Ctrl+Shift, press the down arrow and thereby select all remaining cells. The range is highlighted perfectly, right-click and select Copy. Then select the first cell of the original table and right-click, and then select the Paste Values option. Or click Paste Special and select the Values option already in this window. If you don't want to use formulas to change the case, then you can solve this problem using Microsoft Word. Select the range in which you want to change the case of the text. Copy it and paste it into Word. The data from Excel is inserted as a table in Word, so just click this icon in the upper left corner to highlight the entire table. And when the table is highlighted, we change the case of the entire text in the cells to upper or lower right here in the font section. The case is changed, we just copy the entire table and return to Excel. Here we select any cell or insert it in the same place. Use the Ctrl+V keys or right-click and select Keep Source Formatting. Well, we've looked at two simple ways, now let's look at something more interesting. Namely, let's change the case of the text using a macro. Right-click on the sheet and select View Code. Next, add the module and write a simple macro in the module window that will change text to uppercase. The code is written, we return to Excel and immediately select the range that we want to change and press Alt+F8 keys. A window opens in which all your macros will be displayed, but we select our macro upper and click Run. And the case in all cells has been changed to uppercase. Only you need to remember that when using a macro, the undo button, which is located here or called using the Ctrl+Z keys, will not work, and you won't be able to fix what didn't do according to plan. Therefore, in order not to spoil the data, either don't save the document when exiting or experiment only with a copy of the working document. Let's continue. The macro for lowercase differs by only one letter. We call the VB editor, copy the previous macro, create another module, and paste the code. We change one letter in this code, and to avoid confusion, we change the name of the subroutine. We return to Excel, select the range here, open the macro run window, select the desired macro and click Run. That's how we learned how to change the case of the text in Excel using different ways. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.